Hi Dick, Greg here. I'm gonna show you a video to the difference between these Loke speakers that I suggested to use versus these homemade speakers that I made for you. When I first installed the Loke speaker, I wasn't very happy with it. So here's 5727 with the Loke speakers. So we'll fire this one up. It sounds okay. Okay, now I'm going to turn on 5794. This has a much more deeper bass sound to it. Once they get started, I'm going to put them both into drive hold and you'll hear the difference, okay? So first, let's do 5727, F9, put on the drive hold, let's ramp it up. Now that's notch 8. Let's do 5794. Again, F9. Hear how it has a much more rich bass sound to it. That versus and even when you put the horn on at full throttle, nice and clear. So we'll take 5727 down, and this just has a deeper, rich sound to it. I just wasn't happy with the Loke, so I made my own speakers for you, okay? I just wanted to show you the difference. Cool. We'll see you later.